Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will learn about rainbow table attacks with clear examples and simple visuals. First, what is a hash? Think of a machine that takes a word in and produces a fixed code out. The output looks random, but the same input always gives the same output. Let's visualize that with a small hashing machine. This machine is one way. We can go from the password to the hash, but we cannot go backward from the hash to the password directly. That is why attackers try lots of guesses. A rainbow table is a huge, precomputed list of passwords and their hashes. Instead of guessing and hashing during the attack, the attacker simply looks up the hash in the table. Let's draw a small sample. Now, let's go through the attack steps. First, the hacker steals a list of hashed passwords from a database. Second, the hacker looks up a hash in the rainbow table. Third, if there is a match, the password is recovered. Here is an example database of two users with their hashes. We will compare those hashes to the rainbow table. When the hash appears in the table, the password is revealed. Matching the hashes gives the result. Pankaj's password is password and Alex's password is admin. How do we stop this? We use salting. A salt is a random string added to the password before hashing. Let's see that with a simple example. Even if two people choose the same password, different salts make different hashes. That means the rainbow table cannot help because it does not know the salt. In summary, hashes are one-way, rainbow tables are precomputed lookup lists, and salting protects against rainbow table attacks. Thank you for watching.